Hi, I hope you had a nice weekend. I did not have a nice weekend. I had problems with my blood pressure. The problem is I didn't have any. And on top of that, I got something with my back, so I'm in really bad pain now. I can't stand, I can almost not sit, I cannot lay down, so I don't know. I'm going to bed after this and lay on my heating pillow, so that's the only thing that can take it away for a little bit. So, but I've been busy this weekend, even if I wasn't really okay. So I made my Pepper's cloak. It's a mock-up. It's not perfect in seams and so, it's just a mock-up. Mock-up, or what you call it. It has an oversized hood because if I didn't have it, I wouldn't be able to put the hood over the head on her. So, and I put some Uggs on her feet because I think they fit really good with this outfit. So, that's her. Then I did something else. I have an Obetsu doll, and it didn't have a head, so I gave her a head. I made a little head from polymer clay for her. The only thing is it's a little bit heavy for her body, as it is really lightweight body. So, and that's all for me. That's the only thing I done this weekend. Don't forget the giveaway, the 200 subscribers giveaway, and please go and watch it. You have to watch it, you have to subscribe, you have to give a thumbs up and a comment, because otherwise I won't know who seen it. So that's all for me for now. Bye bye.